Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents with Zoho, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring documents with Zoho, first, log in to your Zoho account. Once logged in, navigate to the Zoho Docs or Zoho Work. Choose the document you want to transfer from your list of files. Click on the document to select it and open it. Next, look for the Share button, usually located at the top. Click on the Share button to open the sharing options. You will see options to add recipients' email addresses. Enter the email address of the person you want to share the document with. Once you have set the permissions, click on the Send button to share the document. If you want to share the document via a link, select the option for link sharing. Adjust the link settings according to your preference, such as allowing editing or restricting access. Copy the generated link and share it with your intended recipients. To manage shared documents, go to the Shared section in your dashboard. Here, you can view who has access and adjust permissions if needed. If you decide to stop sharing, select the document and click on Stop Sharing or remove specific users. Remember to save any changes you make to document permissions. Now you have successfully transferred a document using Zoho. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.